Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about innovation in green technology. This means using new ideas to help our planet. It is very important to care for the environment because we all share this beautiful earth. The earth, our future. First, let's think about the sun, the solar energy. I saw my friend's house with panels on the roof. These panels catch sunlight and turn it into electricity. It helps to light up the bulb. We could save energy and make the air cleaner. Isn't that cool? Next, let's talk about electric cars. These cars do not use petrol. I saw a YouTuber with an electric car, and it is very quiet. It doesn't produce smoke like other cars. When we drive electric cars, we'll help keep the air fresh. Let's recycle. This means using things again instead of throwing them away. We have recycled bin for paper, plastic, and glass. We could recycle lunch box and drink bottle. By recycling, we can make new things and keep our planet clean. Now, let's consider planting trees. Trees are very important. They give us oxygen and shade. In my garden, I helped my family plant a small tree. It was fun to dig and water it. As the tree grows, it will help the environment and provide home for birds. So, what can we do to help? We can use less plastic, ride bikes, and plant more trees. Let's all be part of the solution. Solution for our earth, our future. In conclusion, innovation in green technology help us care for our planet. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for listening. And let's all do our best to help the earth. Thank you.